YouTube just dropped two huge updates, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this can actually change the game for your channel. So whether you are stuck at 200 views trying to hit monetization, or you just want to grow bigger on YouTube, these tools are like jet fuel for your visibility. And the best part is any channel size can make use of these tools. By the end of this video, if you continue watching, you're not just going to understand these tools, you're also going to understand how to make use of them in order to like expose your channel to more visibility. The first update is a post power up. What do I mean? You notice that now when you start scrolling YouTube, like you're not even looking for anything, you're just on your own page. Once you start scrolling to some points, you notice that YouTube start pushing posts to you. And what do I mean? You see all those like parts where creators can type and you see the comment section. Those are like posts on YouTube. You can now see posts from creators. Some creators are even using it for like posts where you get to like vote on posts and everything. Like these are not creators that you specifically search for and find their posts. These are like random creators. You just randomly see their posts. That is not luck. That is new YouTube post power up. Here is the twist. You can now permanently pin your posts to your channels. Like random person can just come to your channel now and they are going to see all your posts if you pin it. So if you want to give like your followers, your subscribers an update, or anybody that is coming to your channel for the first time, whatever you want them to know, you can pin that post to your channel. So they don't have to like start digging into your channel to find out your information. They can literally just search your pin post and they will see it. For people that are always curious, oh, where you from? So just pin it on your channel. And that is how you actually gain like a new audience. And why am I saying this? YouTube does not only just push this post to your subscribers alone, YouTube also push it to random people. That is why if you are on your homepage, you can see random posts from creators that you are not subscribed to. So how do you set this up on your YouTube channel so that you can actually now pin posts? So first thing you are going to do, you are going to open YouTube Studio, not the YouTube Studio app now. You're going to go to your Google Chrome, or even your system, just go to like your YouTube Studio on your Google Chrome. I'm going to show you right now. If you see me not looking at the camera, it's because I'm on my system and I'm going to be showing you in real time. Now you're on your YouTube Studio. What you are going to go to where it says customization, and you're not going to the provide part. You're going to where it says home tab. And as you can see, I already have like a channel layout. That is, you see my channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. This is the first video you are going to see, and then featured video for returning subscribers. So if you are already a returning subscriber on my channel, this is the next video you are going to see. Then you see popular videos, you see single playlist, you see for you. Then you see this part that says post. Yes, this is what we are talking about. This is going to show anybody all of the posts that I've posted on this channel. So if I want this post to appear first, I can always drag it here, so that anybody that is coming to my channel, what they are going to see is post. But I don't want to actually do that for this channel, so I'm going to take it back to where it is. And also you can remove this session. This is literally pin. If you are a new YouTuber or somebody that actually wants people pass out, you want to pass a certain information to your new audience, your new subscribers or your returning subscriber, you can just share it on your post. Then you come here to drag it to your channel layer, so that is the first thing people see when they come to your channel. So once you are able to do this, what you are going to do is share your video links to that post. Like share your videos to your post so you can pin it, so anybody that is coming to your channel for the first time or casually scrolling can actually see your thumbnail, your post, and if they click on it, that is how you're actually going to gain subscribers and get new visibility on your channel. So if you are somebody that do not post, start posting now and start sharing your video links to your posts. Now update number 2, this is the best thing YouTube can actually do for creators, because I really love this feature, and it's thumbnail testing, like A and B thumbnail testing. And this is not just A and B, this is A and B and C. If you have ever uploaded a video and you notice that, oh, after some period, maybe after 24 hours, that particular thumbnail is not doing well, and you also want to try, and you're praying to God that, oh my God, let this thumbnail do well, because you have no idea what to actually do after. YouTube has actually created a new feature that allows you to test different thumbnails on the same video. And this type is not just one thumbnail, it's like 3 thumbnails. I'm going to show you a particular video that I tested. So let's go back to my YouTube studio right now. So okay, right now, if we go to like content, I have like I think I have, oh my goodness. I tested two thumbnails. I'm coming. Mm, okay, I'm just going to show you on a random video. But I use this feature a lot. So on this, let's go to this bit. And you see where this part that says show more, just click on show more. And you see the part that says thumbnail. See this part. Okay. You see this part that says thumbnail? Exactly. You just click on it. You see that there is a part that says test and compare. And this is where you get to upload like three different type of thumbnails. So you cannot test three different thumbnails and see. Upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. So I didn't have like three type of thumbnails for this video. All I just have to do is like click here, go to my video, upload, then click on this video. And then this starts to like show. I'm kind of looking for a video where I already did this. The thing with it is that I already chose. I will look for it. Hopefully I find. I think yes. I think this particular video. Yes. Let's see. See, you see that I uploaded three different thumbnails on this video. See, and I later chose the one that did well, and this is the one you can now see that is visible to all my viewers. Because when YouTube actually tested this three thumbnail, you see this one has 35.7%, this one has 28.5%, and this one has 35.8. So I decided to like choose this one as my thumbnail after it has run for how many days. I didn't wait for a full week because YouTube gives you like the window period of like 8 days to run this test, but I didn't wait. I think I changed it after like the second day or third day, and this is the results. So this is the final one you can now see on my videos. You see, you can actually do new tests. You can decide to run it again. This feature is like the best thing to ever happen to all YouTubers because I really love it. If your click-through rate is dropping off, just try and create like 2 or 3 different variations of your thumbnail and test them all together. If any of this is working better, decide to choose that on your videos. So why does this update matter? It really matters because we all know how important click-through rate is on our channel. So which of these updates are you going to be trying first? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And also do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. And see you in my next video. Bye.